Okay, then after presenting her information, then if you have any doubt, you can ask with her. Okay, you have the chance to discuss. Then now Srilakshmi will start the session.
So I'm going to talk about idioms right now. So basically idioms is a phrase or an expression, but then when we literally hear it, we don't, like the words used in that might not be the literal meaning of the thing I'm trying to convey. So for example, so what comes to your mind when you first hear break like this? So,
Marty, no, you can tell, ma'am.
So basically, break a leg means you have to break a leg. That is what the literal meaning of that meaning, right? But then in idiom, when we say break a leg, it's mostly like we wish a person good luck when they go for something new, okay? And then another one is piece of cake. Does anybody know what this piece of cake means? Yeah, exactly. Something which is easy for you or you are very comfortable with or you are very confident with. This, I don't know how many of you know this one, but bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. Anybody knows? So bite the bullet is mainly, it means that to handle something very tough for you, which is not so okay for you or like very tough for you, to handle something very confidently. Now, there are like 4 types of idioms, which is pure idiom, partial idiom, binomial idiom and prepositional idioms. So pure idiom has the same meaning of the normal idioms only, which is like not the literal meaning of the words which are used in it. And binomial idioms means 2 words are used by 2 words are used in this, and these 2 words are connected by conjunction and or. Okay. For example, chalk and cheese. Two words are used and it is connected by and the conjunction. So this means to describe 2 very different people. Another example for binomial is part and parcel. Which is an essential component in something. For example, stress is a part and parcel for job. Like in job, that is like something that is a part of it, no? So like that. The next is partial. So there is a full idiom which is to make a long story short, he decided not to go. So to make a long story short is the full idiom. But then sometimes to connect with a sentence, we can say long story short, he decided not to go. Which means we can also use the full idiom as, to make a long story short, and the partial idiom as long story short. Okay, that's it. Thank you.